Kiddle plant.
N is for nest, where the sparrows play. N is for night, to end the day. N is for noodles, so yummy to eat. N is for notebook, to make life neat. N is for numbers, they climb so high. N is for nature, the earth and the sky. N is for notes, sweet songs in the air. N is for nutmeg, a spice that we share. Let's sing the letters, dance with glee, and opens a world of discovery. From next to nuts and all in between, the letter N makes the world serene. N is for neighbor, lending a hand. N is for navy, protecting the land. N is for novel, a story untold. N is for necklace, shining like gold. Is for nap, to rest a small head. N is for needle, that stitches the thread. N is for net, catching dreams where you lie. N is for northern lights in the sky. Let's sing the letters, dance with glee, and opens a world of discovery. From nest to nuts and all in between, the letter N makes the world serene.
Please like, share and subscribe the channel.